So Thailand is changing. They're building these newer buildings now and chopping down the jungle. But here's a project that they're working on now. So they're trying to sell these properties. I don't know if you can see right there. So they're trying to sell these properties, this plastic land sort of thing. And it's like, you've got all this beauty here like this, right? And they're chopping it all down to build these housing estates. Like this one was probably done over there a few years ago. And it's developing now, but before that was there, it probably was all like that before. So it's like, why are they doing this to this like beautiful land? They're like, I don't know, but like, this is going away slowly. Year by year, this is getting chopped down. The alligators are going to start coming out, well, the crocodiles are going to start coming out the water soon because they're going to lose their land, like what's happening in the Amazon. So I don't think they need to develop so much, but it's their country, isn't it? So they're going to do what they want.